8 reasons ramen noodles are bad for you and how to make them healthy. Ramen noodles are convenient and budget-friendly, but contain ingredients that harm health with frequent consumption, highlighting the hidden costs of their convenience and quick preparation. Experts warn that ramen noodles' high sodium content poses severe health risks, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke, lacking fiber, whole grains, vitamins, and minerals. TBHQ, a preservative in ramen, is linked to nervous system and liver damage in animals. Some people report vision issues. Our bodies aren't meant for regular artificial chemical exposure. MSG in ramen enhances flavor but may cause headaches, nausea, and other issues affecting about 1% of people despite being generally safe. Ramen lacks fiber, antioxidants, and key nutrients. Regular consumption leads to poor protein, calcium, and vitamin intake. Ramen noodles cause rapid blood sugar spikes due to refined wheat flour, leading to hunger and energy crashes. Instant ramen noodles are flash-fried in oil for shelf stability, adding 7 grams of fat with 3 to 4 grams saturated, potentially raising cholesterol and harming heart health. Regular ramen intake may cause metabolic syndrome in women, increasing risks of diabetes and heart disease. Ramen noodles provide only 1 to 2 grams of fiber per serving, which may cause digestive issues. Experts recommend consuming 25 to 30 grams daily from whole foods.